ano, sino magaling? Gumaganon siya, sino magaling? Ganon, ganyan, ganyan. Pakita nyo. Like, para ma-push kami. So, yun na lang yung nag-push sa akin kasi wala naman kaming kalaban. Like, it's just us. Like, competition namin is that, like, yung sarili namin that we want to do better. But to ourselves, you know. You know what I mean. Okay. But yeah, you know, I wouldn't want to experience that heat again. Sobrang tapat na tapat yung araw sa amin. Tapos, yung mata ko, hindi ko na siya mabuksan na maayos. Kasi, sobrang init. Like, yung silaw ng, yung sun rays. And, kaya, tinatry ko na lang umiti. Like, nag-fierce ako pero yung gano'n. Tapos yung ngiti ko yung parang, yung gano'n.